Morning traders, Nick Massandreo, Market Tea Leaves. Here to bring you our daily market buyers video for Friday, April 25th. It's approximately 5:50 or 10 minutes to 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We would take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Basically, Asia closed mainly down with the exception of the Nikkei exchange, which closed up. Now, admittedly, Australia's closed for, I think, a bank holiday. However, all the other exchanges in Asia all traded lower, if you will. Currently, right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside. And I expect that the reason for this is very simply because Europe is right now wrestling with the Russian-Ukrainian situation, if you will. And this is weighing down their market somewhat. We're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar in terms of the June contract trading lower. Been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading lower. There is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this writing. Financials, on the other hand, in terms of the bonds, if you take a look at the entire bond universe, it's trading much higher. The indices, in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a lower open. Metals, in terms of gold, is trading higher. Again, I suspect that the reason for this is because of the heightened tensions in Ukraine. I think that the fear factor is starting to creep into the market somewhat. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news that's on the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have some news. We have flash services out at 9:45, and we also have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These reports are not considered to be major. The revised reports in terms of University of Michigan are revised numbers. They are not preliminary numbers. Therefore, they really don't have very much of a factor in terms of directing market, if you will, or market direction. All in all, our bias is to the downside today. We feel that, in terms of what's going on in Europe, and also because the futures are pretty much pointing to the downside, if you will, our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Whereas I don't think that any of these reports, could change market direction. The fact is they could, depending upon how people see it. Again, they are not major reports, however, they are the only reports, so they may by default become major reports. Again, anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.